have a Weltmeister 620 Steirische button box. It is in the keys of G, C, and F. It has helikon bass, which has a beautiful, rich, deep sound. It's a 3-row, but it's a 3-reed. We have 3 middle reeds, and we have 5 switches on the treble side. So you have the different reed combinations, which gives you a lot of versatility with this little button box. Beautiful red bellows with a diamond design. It's really a gorgeous little accordion. Beautiful grill with silver sparkle grill. But the wood grain is what really makes this stand out. It's a beautiful little accordion. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.